Come test drive this 2007 Mazda Speed 3. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback still has less than 80,000 miles. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Mazda infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and power windows. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.